Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the information and facilities about a particular station on the Tube Map application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Go to your home page and search for a station at the top of the screen in this search bar. You can also select one from the recommendations or type it into the search bar. Then tap on this information and facilities section down below, which is the fourth option in this case. So here you have two sections at the top, information and facilities. You can see the description, history, travel tip, look out for tips and fun facts. And if you tap on facilities, you can see the general ones such as Wi-Fi availability, taxi rank, waiting room, and so on. You can check out the available shops and businesses and the main entrance and gates, ATM and payphones. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.